to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will show you how to invert parts from a vendor for an order that has already been placed. From the main dashboard, click on Parts from the bottom of the screen and click on Invert. In this page, all you have to do is click on the downward arrow at the vendor name section and select the purchase order. Now enter the bill number, and the bill date, and you can see the details of the order mentioned below. You can also see the checkbox on the stock on top of the page. It's checked as we are inverting the parts directly into our inventory. Once all the details have been entered, we will click on Invert from the bottom of the screen. As you can see, a unique number is generated for the parts that have just been inverted, and the number is displayed on the top of the screen. In case you have made payment to the vendor, enter the details here, or if it's on credit, just close the pop-up. This will redirect you to the stock page, and by clicking on the Invert tab, you can see the details of the parts that you have just inverted. This is how you successfully invert parts from a vendor. Thank you for watching.